Hi friends, onto this video we're gonna be replacing a oxygen sensor on this Mazda 2015 CX-9. So just raise the front because you could actually get it from the bottom. We're gonna be replacing the Bank2 sensor 2 downstream. Alright, so this is your Bank2 oxygen sensor 2, the downstream. So your oxygen sensor is gonna be, the Bank2 is gonna be on the front of the engine. On this engine is a V6, so this is your Bank2 right here. And yeah, that's the sensor right there, and you just need to remove, the wire, sensor wire connector, and I already kind of take that one up, so let's remove that. So I could remove that one, and so you could actually just use, if you have the oxygen sensor tool socket, you could use this one right here, and this one right here is not too tight, but I don't really like to use this one because usually if the sensor is too tight, when you're trying to loosen it, and then this one, it will expand, and it just slip on the sensor. But on this one right here, I just used the 7/8 winch, and I just kind of put it there, and then I just stop the winch and able to loosen it. And this one right here, it was not too tight, and and that's how you replace the oxygen sensor. And once you loosen it, you could just use your hand to remove the sensor and put a new one. All right, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share this video, and it's gonna really help my channel. All right, thank you, and have a nice day.